We are excited to announce improvements to our customer support portal to include conversational, chat-based support with our team. Get the assistance you need in real time and resolve your customer support inquiries faster than ever before. Let's walk through a quick example of how to use the new support portal. First, you'll want to log in to your Cardtapp account. Once you've logged in, you can click on the new messenger icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. From the messenger, you can access Knowledge Center articles without ever leaving your Cardtapp dashboard. Search for articles or start a conversation with our team. For example, let's say that you would like to update your photo or company logo. Click on I need help setting up my account. Then click on Updating your photo or company logo. You can then view an article that will walk you through the necessary steps to update your photo or company logo. In the event that you still have questions after reviewing the article or run into a technical issue, you can click on Something Else. You will then be prompted to create a support ticket that will be assigned to a member of our technical support team who will reach out to further assist you. As our team reviews your support ticket, you can monitor the status right from your Cardtapp dashboard. Getting customer support help has never been easier.